Oh my god. So Julien Alfred has done it once again. And I feel like this is a clear warning to the Jamaican queens, Shelly, Elaine, and Shericka, that she is here to stay. And right now, I feel like Sha'carri should really be afraid of Julien Alfred. Not just Sha'carri, Shelly, Elaine, their body should be shivering by now. Their body should be shivering. They should really be scared of this girl. And I'm going to advise Sha'carri, Elaine, Shelly to be very careful of Julien Alfred because they should not underestimate her. They should not see her as the underdog because she's going to shock them if they end up underestimating the power that lies in Julien Alfred. By the way, the news of the day is Julien Alfred has been able to set a new ST Lucian national record of 36.16 seconds to win the women 300 meters at the NB Indoor Grand Prix. So a huge congratulations to Julien Alfred, and if you are from ST Lucian, I want you to be very proud of yourself because this girl Julien Alfred is out here and she is representing you guys, and that is why I feel like Sha'carri, Elaine, whoever out there should really be afraid of Julien Alfred because she is coming with her earthquakes. Do you know what earthquake is? Do you know what tornado is? That is what Julien Alfred represent right now. She is coming to shake all these big athletes, and if they are not careful enough, she is going to take them down. Right? Let me hear your opinion.